Hi gang, gonna go over number 79 from section 2.2. So the first thing you should notice is this is not in descending order. So I'm gonna rewrite it. Okay, and now I can do the leading coefficient test. So remember, if it's an odd degree, it's either gonna go down up or up down. And because it has a negative in the front, it's up down. Right? The rules are in the lecture if you need to review them. Leading coefficient tests. Alright, now let me do the x-intercepts. And in order to do that, I have to factor this. So it's got a negative x squared I'm going to pull out. That leaves me with this. So my x-intercepts here, off of here I'm going to get a 0. And because it's squared, it's going to be even. And off of here, I'm going to get a -5. And because it's linear, first degree, it's odd. So try to remember that even and odd x-intercepts, that is determined by the exponents. So how you determine the leading coefficient test is different than the even and odd, the x-intercepts. Okay, so this again is just a rough sketch technique. It's not until you go to calculus that you get a more exact graphing technique. -5 is odd, 0 is even. Okay, so on the ends we're going to be up and down, and then at -5 we're odd, so that means I go through to the other side. At some point I turn around. Again, it's calculus will determine how low this goes. So at some point you have to turn around because you got to touch like all, you have to touch all the points. You have to connect all the dots. So, you know, you're just going to have a rough sketch, and when you hand in your test and your final, everybody's just going to have like an approximation. Everybody's graph's going to look a little different, and that's okay because we're just sort of starting the process to draw it exactly. Alright gang, so that's the graph. Hope that helped. Catch you in another video. Bye bye.